Hello guys, in today's video I am gonna unbox and review the WOBEECO portable disinfectant generator. With the emergence of the COVID-19 has created an unprecedented impact on the way we live and work. In this aspect, I will cover the basics of creating a healthy and sanitary work environment. The workplace well-being includes cleaning, disinfecting and sterilizing your home or office space. As the saying goes, cleanliness starts at home. First, let's see what's inside the box. Inside the box you'll find user manual, spoon, cable USB, mini funnel, the hypochlorite maker. I've been trying to be more sustainable and buy less plastic bottles to clean my space, and this little bottle does it all. It disinfects literally everything and leaves my apartment smelling very fresh. It's super simple to use and set up, and I was surprised at how well it actually sprayed. It takes like 10 minutes to create the solution, then you're good to go. A great innovation. Never seen any product like this before. Firstly, open the cover and add 2 spoons of salt. I'm using here table salt. Then fill it with water up to the 350 milliliters line. Shake it up gently to help dissolve the salt. Then push the power button on and wait 10 minutes for it to process. The generator will stop working after finished, then you can start to clean. It is safe and produces a 99.9% efficient sterilization. Sodium hypochlorite is generated after electrolysis of water and common salt. Sodium hypochlorite disinfectant is recognized as a highly effective bactericide in the world, which can effectively kill various bacteria and viruses, and has a strong sterilization and deodorizing function. It will produce a concentration of chlorine. To know that it works, you can smell the disinfectant. It smells like chlorine in nature. Thanks for watching.